Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am going to tell you about birds. Are you ready? Okay. One day, Ria and her grandfather went to the park. There, Ria was very happy to see the birds on the trees. Some birds are sitting on the trees and some are flying high in the sky. She was very happy to see the birds. Suddenly, what happened? A beautiful bird came down and sat near Ria. Ria was so excited to see the bird. She started asking questions to her. Tell me how you are able to fly. What do you eat? Where do you live? I want to know like everything about you. The bird says, Dear, I will tell you everything. I can fly because of my body. So, first of all, I will tell you our body parts. So, now let's see the body parts of birds. Birds have eyes, beak, body, claws, tail, feather, wings, and head. Now, let's explain this. The main body parts are beak. The beak of the bird is like a mouth. It is used to eat food. All birds have different types of beaks. Second is wings. Wings help them to fly. Next is tail. Tail help them to maintain the balance when they are flying. And next is feet and claws. They help them in walking, climbing and holding food. Birds. Welcome to the world of birds. So, what you are seeing? Who is this? This is a parrot. This is a parrot. Now, who is he? Yes, this is a pigeon. Now, the next bird is, you all know. Yes, this is a hen. Yes. And now, what is this? This is a eagle. Eagle flies high up in the sky. And what is this? A small little bird. This is a sparrow. And sparrows makes beautiful voice. Yes. Now what is this? The beautiful, lovely peacock. Now the next bird is woodpecker. Now here comes the next bird. This is bulbul. Bulbul. It sings beautifully. And next bird is duck. Duck lives in water. Now the next bird is kingfisher. Kingfisher is a very colorful bird and it likes to eat fish. Next is crow. Next bird is owl. You are able to see him at night. Who is it? It is an owl. Yes, now let's see where the birds lives. You know where the bird lives? Birds lives in the nest. They make home on the trees. And you know kids, there are different types of nest. Owls are living in the hole. See, the birds have different types of nest. Now, after knowing the home of the birds, Ria asks the bird to tell the eating habits of birds. So now kids, we learn the eating habits of birds. Sparrows and pigeon eats grains. Parrot eats chilies and guavas. Kingfisher eats fishes. Peacock eats snakes. So these are the eating habits of birds. I hope you all like this and you learn many things about the birds, and you will not tease the birds. You will give them water. You will put some water in their balconies so that they will drink. You will give them grains. I hope you like this. Thank you.